You need to get ready for this, because the iPhone as we have known it for years is approaching a breaking point. For over a decade, we have been living with visual compromises on the screen, from black bars to notches, then pills and cutouts, and Apple has quietly been preparing the moment when all that finally ends. Based on recent supply chain signals and leak analysis, Apple is still expected to unveil the iPhone 18 Pro models in September 2026, right on schedule. But here is the detail most people missed. The standard iPhone 18 and the so-called iPhone Air may second not arrive until March 2027. That single shift changes everything. Apple would essentially be dividing its launch year into two distinct phases. And that is not accidental. The strategy is clear when you look at it closely. Apple wants all attention during the holiday season focused on the high-margin Pro models, without lower-priced devices pulling focus away. Then, when momentum naturally slows a few months later, they reignite demand by launching the more affordable models. From a business perspective, it is incredibly smart. From a consumer perspective, it can feel frustrating, especially if you're waiting on the non-Pro version while friends upgrade months earlier. If you follow Apple leaks, long-term strategy shifts, and smart upgrade timing instead of marketing noise, make sure you subscribe so you stay ahead of decisions that actually matter. This kind of launch restructuring signals something bigger. Apple is no longer treating the Pro and standard iPhones as variations of the same product. They are becoming two separate product families with different roles, timelines, and priorities. So the real question is whether this leak holds weight. The source behind it, Digital Chat Station, has built a reputation that the industry takes seriously. They have accurately called camera configurations and displayed changes across multiple recent iPhone generations. When they point to a timeline like this, it deserves attention. And when you zoom out, the logic lines up. By 2026, the dynamic island will be around 4 years old, which is typically the lifespan Apple allows for a major design element. The notch lasted roughly the same amount of time. The pill design was never meant to be permanent. That brings us to the larger takeaway. The iPhone 18 Pro does not look like a routine upgrade. It looks like a turning point. Apple appears ready to move past visible compromises entirely, toward a screen that feels uninterrupted and immersive. No lost display space. No visual distractions. Just the experience Apple originally promised when the smartphone concept first took shape. If you are currently holding on to an iPhone 14 or 15 and wondering when it truly makes sense to upgrade, it may be wise to start planning for 2026. Everything points to the iPhone 18 Pro being the device that finally delivers on the idea of a seamless slab of glass that disappears into your hand while doing everything you need it to do. This story is still unfolding, and we are continuing to track confirmations around camera placement, battery changes, and what under-display Face ID really means in day-to-day use. The next few months are going to be interesting, and the details will matter. For those of you who want clarity instead of hype and guidance instead of guesswork, this channel is built for people who want to stay ahead in Apple tech, not behind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.